I'm 6 feet tall. This is an 8-foot A-frame adjustable ladder to 16 feet. Now, you have the ability to do different angles with it and use it for many different reasons. This ladder is aluminum. It's not good for electricity, so please be careful. And also, you may want to wear a pair of gloves. This aluminum will, come off in your hands and make it a little dark. You have a safety feature over here that won't allow you to maximize the ladder any further than the allowed distance. This over here will open up, and I'll give you a nice close-up look at this rung adjuster. Also on top over here, you have these clamps that will open up to allow you to fold and unfold the ladder to different levels. So what I'm going to do is extend this ladder to the maximum, less one rung, and hang it up on the wall and climb up and down for you. I'm also going to lower it down to 6 feet so you get an idea of what it looks like. Right now I'm going to show you how easy it is to adjust it. I'm going to show you what happens when you maximize, and I'm going to show you a close-up as well as opening up the clips. This square hole and this round pole, don't want to get your fingers in there because this will act as a guillotine and chop your finger right off. We're going to pull out and leave it in the open and do all four and lower our ladder. I'm going to hold my ladder up, and now I'm going to lower my ladder down. I'm going to lock it into place. And I got a short 5-foot ladder. I want to fold my ladder. I'm going to pull the clip on both sides. You heard a click. And I'm going to close my ladder. I want to extend my ladder and raise it up as a standard extension ladder. I need to again open my clips and lay it down. I need to maximize my ladder length. Over here are clips that are going to stop me from my maximization. I lock my ladder in. I repeat the same process. Now I'm going to be 1 or 2 less so I don't have to be all the way up in the air. I'm going to lift my ladder. The ladder is very easy to assemble, adjust, and manipulate for your needs. I'm very happy with this ladder. I have many uses for it. The ladder allows me to do a lot of things with it. I hope this ladder may be right for you. I'm going to disassemble the ladder, and I hope you enjoy yours if this is the product you're looking for in a ladder. I like the idea of having orange and the legs all around, and very easy to assemble by 2 bolts on the bottom, 2 bolts on the top that slide in to the actual legs. Well, I can always hold the ladder up, pull it down, or I can simply get behind the ladder, turn it around, and drop the ladder the correct way. LANBITOU, that is the ladder company. A very lightweight, very easy to handle, very useful ladder indeed. I hope you enjoy your product.